Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with an AliExpress haul. I hauled a few more dies and I created some projects, so I wanted to come on and share with you what I recently picked up. So I'm going to jump right on in. I picked up this really cute viewfinder die. It looks like this, and it comes with these additional square pieces that you can actually overlay. And it's a really cute die, so I'm going to show you what I made with that. I did haul this doily before, but I did use it in the project, so I wanted to show you that die right there. And then I recently had hauled this super cute scalloped heart set, and I used it in the project that I'm going to share with you. So let me show you what I made. I made an adorable Valentine's Day shaker rosette wand, and as you can see, there is the super cute viewfinder, and I did turn it into a shaker so it moves all around. And I did use that new bow that I picked up recently. Super cute, and I added the word kisses. I layered it about 3 times to give it that look. And I layered the doily behind the viewfinder, and I think it came out really, really pretty. I used this really pretty tool, and it has gold stars on it, and I did pick this up off of AliExpress a while back, and added some pom-pom trim, and then I just used a fun little straw. I used a rosette die to create this rosette that's in between my wand. It looks like that. And then I used a stitched circle, nesting circle die, and layered it a couple of times. And then that's where I used the cute little heart. And I used that really cute paper that I had recently picked up that I shared in my last video. And I'm really having fun with that paper. It's so pretty. So that is my wand, and I think it came out really, really cute. So that is my first little project share. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here, and it's like bouquet of flowers, and it's really, really pretty. And let me show you what it looks like. I made a little treat bag, and this is what it looks like. And here is the bouquet, and what I did was I die cut it out of heavyweight cardstock, and the pieces didn't fall out, and then I die cut it with glitter paper, and then poked out all the little pieces to create that layered effect. And then I used an ephemera pack that I picked up probably in one of my previous hauls, and it says Wonderful You. And then I added one of these little cute little, it's like a little, it's like a satin bow, I can think. It's a satin bow on top of the little flower bouquet, and it is popped up on dimensions to give it a little pop. And then I used some nesting square dies in my stash, and this little heart die is in my stash as well, and I just layered it behind the flower and the bouquet of flowers, and I think it came out really, really cute. So I'm really happy with that, and that's perfect for Mother's Day or Valentine's Day cards. So really cute die. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here, and it looks like this, and it comes with these 2 ornate corners, and this is what it looks like cut out. Really, really pretty. Now there's the smaller one on this square, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then the larger one looks like that. And again, I die cut it out of that really cute paper that I had picked up. It's like that unicorn paper pack that I had picked up. I can link it down below, but it's really, really pretty. And I was just playing, seeing what it looked like, and I just kind of layered it like that. But how pretty would that be in a mini album or a flip book? Super, super cute. All right, moving along, I did make a memory decks card. I did pick up this die right here, and it's a stitched memory decks little die that you can create a memory decks card with. And then I also used this set of scalloped circles. Really, really cute set. And I made a cute memory decks card using those 2 dies. And I actually used this super cute little lion. He looks like that. And this is how my memory decks card came out. And I layered the 2 different size doilies, and you see the stitching on the bottom. That's where I created the little slot for the memory decks holder. And then that little lion is just so extra cute. I used some hearts that came out of another die and popped it on the lion. And he's on dimension. And then I used this really cute bow die right here, and it's super, super cute. And then on the back, I don't have anything on the back yet, but I just wanted to share that really cute memory decks card that I created. And that line is so cute for, I think, Valentine's Day or baby projects for sure. I did pick up a couple more critters. I picked up these two right here, and they look like that. And this is what they look like cut out. Absolutely adorable, and obviously you can paper piece them and make them super, super cute. So I wanted to share that. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here, and it's a rose, and I thought it would be really pretty for Valentine's Day. And I did make a card with it. So what I did was I layered it 3 times using different colored cardstock. And then I stamped out "I love everything about you." And then I used these little sugar sprinkles that I picked up. And I think it came out super, super pretty. And then the inside, I just finished it off like that and used a stitched scalloped rectangle from my stash. And then on the back, I stamped "Made with Love," which I think came out really, really pretty. I love that stamp. So super cute card. Loving the rose. All right, moving along, I did pick up another embossing folder, and it looks like this, and it's like a party theme. So I made a birthday card, and this is the card that I made, and it's really, really shiny. But as you can see, it's a really cute embossing folder. It looks like party streamers, and then I just die cut out the word fiesta, and I think it came out so cute. So I have a birthday card ready to go in my stash. I didn't finish off the inside, but that is the front of the card, and I'm sorry, it's super, super shiny. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here, and this is actually super cute. This is like a little card holder, and it looks like this, cut out, and that's the back. And what you can do is you can layer like a little card or just any kind of embellishment, and it looks like that, and it will sit on your desk. Oops, if I can get it to stay like that. It'll sit on your desk like so. You can't really see it. I have to kind of prop it up, but that's what it looks like. Isn't that adorable? So I wanted to share that. That's perfect for Happy Mail. You can do all kinds of things and then send this with the Happy Mail, and then your friend can put the little embellishment or little happy saying on her desk and always have it to look at, and it has a cute little stand. So really, really cute. All right, moving along, I did pick up this nested circle set, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. And this is a really pretty set as well. And this is what it looks like cut out. Look how pretty that is. I love the way that that looks. And then this is the next doily. And I just used one of the stickers that I had picked up, and it says, "Live happy, share love, and be undeniably," I can't talk, fabulous. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then the next layer looks like this. And I had stamped out "Hello, my love." And then this is the same doily, just so you can see what it looks like. And then this is the smallest one right there. So really, really pretty doily set. And then last but not least, I did haul a few sequins. I got this Christmas pack, and I didn't get to share it with you guys. I am behind on videos. And then I had also picked up these sequins. They're hearts, and I picked them up for Valentine's Day. I thought those would be cute for Valentine's shakers. And then I did pick up another ephemera pack, and I'll just take a few out so you can see, but this is a really cute set. It has gold bows and lovely XOXO, better with you. It's a really cute set. So I wanted to share that, and this is actually a perfect one for Valentine's Day. So anyway, that is my quick share. Hope you guys are having a great crafty day. Please leave a comment, check the description box below for more information, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye for now.